Hey guys, I want to show you a few cool options to help maximize storage in a smaller kitchen. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we have your classic Canadian kitchen. It's not big, it's not small, but originally they weren't configured very well. This kitchen used to have a peninsula which really divided the space up. They struggled for storage, had kind of an unused area here behind me. So in this new layout, we've added this pantry and kind of built-in prep area, some good base cabinet storage with nice large drawers and nice uppers as well. So they've increased the storage capacity while maintaining or expanding the counter space, even though we did remove the peninsula. We also have this great little pantry solution, and there's lots of options for how you configure your pantry. This is a good one though that doesn't break the bank, but is really effective. So here we have the pantry cabinet. We have a bunch of pull-out drawers, and these are nice. This is a nice dovetailed wood drawer, so that was an upgrade. But they're really handy, easy access to the contents. They all have their soft close on them, which is nice. And again, it gives you direct access to whatever's stored within the drawers as opposed to deep shelves you have to reach into. And then we have larger storage above, which really helps for the bigger items, your cereals and other things like that. So overall, the way you configure your kitchen, always think about storage. That's really key, and how you plan to use the space, plan for flow. But you know, as far as a pantry is concerned, and a little workspace is a great way to address it without being terribly expensive. If you have any questions about planning your kitchen, please do reach out. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation to Custom Homes. Have a great day.